Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send text messages on iPhone. If you have a new iPhone and you are looking for ways to send messages, this is what you can do. On here, this is the home screen. What you want to do here, you want to look for the message icon, and this is it here. Just tap on this message icon. So once you tap on this message icon, I have Face ID unlocked. So good. Once you tap on this once you tap on the message icon, it will show you this page. On here, what you want to do here, if you want to send new message, if you check the top right corner, you're going to see a square, a pencil inside a box. Just tap on that. Once you tap on it, it will take you to where you can send new messages. So you can see it says the heading here is new message. What you want to do here is this. The first thing you want to do, you want to select or input the number or the receiver, the number of the receiver you want to send message to. So what do you want to do here? You can say two. Two means the person you want to send the message to. If you already have the person's contact on your device, what you want to do is very simple. At the front of these two, you can see a plus sign. Just tap on this plus sign, then select a random, select the person you want to send it to, and that's what you do on that. So, if we do not have the contact, so we will have to enter the number manually. So let me just enter a number here. Let me just enter a number here. So once you input the number of the person you want to send message to, so okay, there's a mistake in this number. I'm coming. Okay, let's send it to this person. That's 7273. Okay, once you put in the number successfully, that is the first step. The second step is if you look down here, you are going to see a box, an empty box. Tap into that. You can see text message. This is the body of the message. This is how you can put in the body, put in the content of the message, what you want to send. Let's just put in sending. So once you are done with this, at the front of this thing, you can see an arrow pointing up. You can see a green arrow pointing up. So just tap on that green arrow. You can see sending. Once you tap on it, it will be sent. The message will be sent to the person successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually send a message on iPhone.